Namaskar, myself Dr. Trishanu. I welcome you all to the weekly weather discussion program of IMD. Today's date is 17th October. During the past 1 week, there was a two depression, one over the Arabian Sea and another one was over the Bay of Bengal. Actually, the Arabian Sea system started as a low pressure over the Lakshadweep and its neighboring area around 9th of October, and further it intensified into a well-marked low pressure area near the Karnataka and Goa coast on 10th of October, and it became further depression over the central part of the Arabian Sea on 13th of October, and it moving northwestward further, and it made a landfall near the Deccan of Oman between the night of around 10:30 11:30 around night of 15th of October. Then it weakened into a well-marked low pressure area over the coastal Oman. And under its influence there was no intensification of the any kind of rainfall happened over the Indian region because the system was away from the Indian coast. And also another system was there which started as a low pressure area over the southeast Bay of Bengal on 14th of October, and which further intensified into a depression over the southwest Bay of Bengal by the evening of 15th October, and it continued to moving west northwestward, crossing the Tamil Nadu and Andhra Pradesh coast near Chennai during the early morning of today, and weakened into a subsequently it weakened into a well-marked low pressure area over the south coastal Andhra Pradesh and north coastal Tamil Nadu. And under the influence of this depression, extremely heavy rainfall was observed at isolated places over the north coastal Tamil Nadu, Rayalaseema, and very heavy rainfall observed at isolated places of coastal Andhra Pradesh on 16th of October. And also Chennai city experiences the urban flood-like condition during the 16th of October. Now moving further and talking about the monsoon withdrawal information, the southwest monsoon has withdrawal from entire country on 15th of October, and simultaneously the northeast monsoon rainfall activity has commenced over the southeast peninsular India from the same day, that is from the 15th of October. And now if we talk about the subdivision wise rainfall excess and deficit information during the past 1 week, if we talk about the large excess, 14 meteorological subdivision experience a large excess of rainfall, and if we talk about like as a area wise, around 44% area of the country as a whole received the large excess of rainfall during the past 1 week. And if we see the large deficit, 8 mat subdivision actually received the deficit of rainfall, and area wise 27% area of country as a whole experience a large deficit of rainfall. Now if we talk about the last 2 weeks information, in terms of the last 2 weeks or starting from the 1st October up to the 16th October, if we talk about the large excess, 4 mat subdivision has a large excess of rainfall, and area wise 13% of the country as a whole received large excess of rainfall. Now if we see the large deficit, 10 mat subdivision received the large deficit of rainfall during the past 2 weeks, and 33% of the area as a of the country as a whole received the deficit of rainfall. And now if we talk about the cumulative rainfall, and if we divide our country in a 4 different sections like East, Northeast India, Northwest India, Central India and South Peninsular India, like that, then the northwestern part of the India received 73% of the departure, minus 73% of the departure of the rainfall during the past 1 week. And if we see the other part like the Central India, 63% positive departure was there, which is associated with the large excess of the rainfall, and also in the South Peninsular India plus 92% departure was there, which is also associated with the large excess during the past 1 week. Now if we see the last 2 weeks information, we can see here the 13% positive departure was there for the East and Northeast India, which is fall in the normal category. And if we see the Northwest India, minus 72% departure was there, which is associated with the large deficit of rainfall. And if we see the South Peninsular India, positive 25% departure was there, which is associated with the excess rainfall during the past 2 weeks. So now if we talk about the extended range forecast, that is for the rainfall forecast for next 2 weeks. As you can see here, during the week 1 starting from the 17th up to the 24th of October, rainfall is likely to be above normal over parts of the peninsular India except extreme south of Kerala and Tamil Nadu, coastal and also we are expecting above normal rainfall over the coastal area of Orissa, Gangetic West Bengal and its neighboring region. During week 2, that is from the 24th to 31st of October, east and northeast India is likely to receive above normal rainfall, and we are also expecting there is a formation of the depression during the over the central part of the Bay of Bengal from 24th October onward. We'll further discuss about it. And also there is a western disturbance is likely to impact the western Himalayan region and adjoining plain with light isolated rain and snow during the first half of the week 2. Now if we talk about the maximum temperature warning for the next 2 weeks, as you can see here, during the week 1 and week 2 also, west and northwest India including Indo-Gangetic Plain region, including the Chhattisgarh region, are likely to have above normal maximum temperature. So there will be no reduction of the maximum temperature over northwest India during the next 2 weeks. And now if we talk about the minimum temperature forecast for the next 2 weeks, as you can see here, during the week 1, that is from 17th to 24th of October, most part of the country is likely to have above normal temperature. And during the week 2, northeast India, Indo-Gangetic Plain region of India, northwest India, some parts of the peninsular India likely to have above normal temperature. There is no rapid fall in temperature over the northwest India during the next week. And if we talk about the cyclogenesis information, there is a high probability of cyclogenesis is there over the central part of the Bay of Bengal during the week 1, and under the as you can see here, it is very likely there is a formation of the depression over the central part of the Bay of Bengal, and it would be the 3rd depression in the month of October till now. And under the influence of this upcoming depression, we are expecting very heavy to isolated extremely heavy rainfall is likely to occur over the Gangetic West Bengal and Orissa, and there is also possibilities of landslide and over the hilly terrains of over that region, and also flooding over the low-lying areas, including urban flooding over the coastal cities. Riverine flooding is also possibilities also there over the east flowing river of Orissa and Gangetic West Bengal. So that's all for today. Please follow us in our website, and also follow us in the Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and YouTube video. For more detail, you can visit our daily weather briefing program as well. Thank you very much. Stay tuned with the IMD